Bullish smooth love elixir cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 2 cents by 2030. Market experts accept SLP could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish smooth love elixir market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Smooth love mixture presentation. With regards to play to acquire games, Axie vastness captures everyone's attention. As the main NFT gaming title to cross $1 billion in deals, it is credited for putting play to acquire on the worldwide gaming map. Sky Mavis sent off the game in 2018, yet it required off barely a year ago alongside the NFT blast. Axie Boundlessness was the previous summer's star convention, cresting at close to a portion of 1 million day-to-day dynamic clients. Axie Boundlessness is an NFT-upheld play-to-acquire blockchain game where players gather beasts known as axies and fight them with other players' axies. It uses 2 tokens in its biological system, Smooth Love Elixirs and Axie Vastness Shards. Fundamentally, SLPs are procured by playing the game. In the meantime, Axe is an administration token that enables holders to decide on key choices like game functionalities and depository finances spending. Before we assess on the off chance that SLP would be a productive interest in 2022 and the next few years, we should backtrack a bit. We'll meticulously describe the job and utility of SLP in Axie limitlessness environment. Moreover, we will cover the variables influencing the cost of SLP and what's to come plans of Sky Mavis. What is Axie Boundlessness? Axie Boundlessness advocate the play-to-acquire ongoing interaction model wherein players are compensated by basically investing energy playing the game. Besides, the players completely own their in-game characters or things as NFTs. They can sell it, acquire from it, or use it for interactivity. This isolates Axie limitlessness from the vast majority of the present conventional close-circled games, where advanced things must be utilized in-game. It got to a place that the boundary dissection was too high in light of the fact that the expense for purchasing the 3 axies expected to play the game was galactic. In the interim, there are financial backers and business people who can undoubtedly lay out the assets expected to purchase axies yet don't have the advantage of time to play. This market hole moved the grant and organization programs. Through an Axie grant, the chief or society purchases or gives the 3 axies that the player will use to play the game and acquire SLP. They expect all the gamble to loan 3 axies to the new player. In return, they procure a portion of their player's benefit. The new clients play to procure an Axie vastness permit their backers to receive a portion of the benefit. Smooth Love Elixir current cost. Smooth Love Mixture is presently worth $0. SLP has moved 11.01% as of now with an exchanging volume of $46,994,743. Smooth Love Mixture is presently positioned 178 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $129,154,851 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal union uniqueness from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Smooth Love Mixture to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Smooth Love Mixture market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2023. Smooth Love Elixir, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The SLP cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. However, it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headway. SLP is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Smooth Love Elixir Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Smooth Love Elixir SLP cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of SLP will before long outperform $0. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the SLP's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, SLP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 1 cent and SLP might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. SLP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2025. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Smooth Love Mixture effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, The SLP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SLP will be green in 2026. The SLP is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 1 cent, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the SLP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 1 cent by 2027, with a base cost of 1 cent anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, SLP has a greatest value worth of 1 cent. Smooth Love Elixir Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 1 cent. In the event that SLP figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 1 cent. Neglecting to assemble the help SLP needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 1 cent. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2029. While SLP is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 2 cents and a yearly cost close above 2 cents in 2029. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Smooth Love Elixir will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 2 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 2 cents, averaging out at 2 cents. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme SLP cost in 2031 is projected to be 2 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 2 cents. What is the Smooth Love Mixture cost today? Today, Smooth Love Mixture is exchanging at $0 an all-out market capitalization of $129,154,851. Is Smooth Love Mixture a wise speculation? Smooth Love Elixir ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is savvy to say that SLP is a decent decision of venture. How high can Smooth Adore Elixir go? The typical cost of Smooth Love Elixir might perhaps reach $0 a year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Smooth Love Mixture might outperform 1 cent. What amount will Smooth Adore Elixir be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising ubiquity of digital money and Smooth Love Mixture, a drawn-out interest in SLP could see the value ascend to 1 cent inside the following 5 years. What amount will Smooth Cherish Elixir be worth in 10 years? In the event that you put resources into Smooth Love Elixir today, likewise with any venture, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of SLP might actually ascend to 3 cents inside